Want to earn extra cash just by holding onto your cryptocurrency? Crypto staking could be your answer. Crypto staking is like putting your crypto in a high-yield savings account. You earn rewards simply for holding onto your coins. It's become easier than ever to get started, even if you're new to crypto and don't have a ton of money. What is crypto staking? Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to help secure a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more cryptocurrency. It's a pretty simple way to earn passive income, money that comes in without a lot of work on your part. Why staking is great for beginners? Easy to do. You don't need to be a crypto expert to stake your coins. Low barrier to entry. Many platforms have low minimum investment amounts. Community involvement. You're helping to support the cryptocurrency network. Relatively low risk. It's generally less risky than actively trading crypto. User-friendly platforms. Many platforms are designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. Choosing a staking platform. Picking the right platform is important. Consider these things. Fees. How much will the platform charge you? Supported crypto. Does the platform support the coins you want to stake? Security. How well does the platform protect user funds? Reviews. What do other users say about the platform? Top staking platforms with low minimums. Examples. Several platforms make it easy for beginners to start staking with small amounts of cryptocurrency. These include Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, BlockFi, and Gemini. Important note: always do your own research before choosing a platform. Getting started with staking. Choose a wallet. Select a secure wallet that supports staking. Pick your coin. Research different cryptocurrencies and choose one that offers staking. Buy your coins. Purchase the cryptocurrency through a reputable exchange. Stake your coins. Follow the instructions on your chosen platform to stake your coins. Stay informed. Keep an eye on your rewards and any updates from the platform. Risks and rewards. Rewards. Earn passive income from staking rewards. Risks. The value of your cryptocurrency could go down. The platform you choose might be insecure. Your funds might be locked up for a period of time. Crypto staking is a great way for beginners to earn passive income with their cryptocurrency. But remember to do your research, choose reputable platforms, and understand the risks involved before getting started.